My name is Ernest, and today I have this topology before me, and I will be setting up the DHCP server, the DNS, and the web server, and also the router. So, get IP address dynamically from the DHCP. So, without any waste of time, let's begin. So, this is my IP address for this side. We have 3.1 and this one is 2.1. So let's begin with the server. So server IP address 192.168.3.10. Default gateway 192.168.3.1. 192.168.3.9. Okay. Two dot 168.3.9. One 192.168.3.1. Good. One 192.168.3. Let me see, I think 7. Yes. Or 7. Okay, good. So let me define my server pool. Let me come here. DHCP. I'll call my first pool A1. A1 192.168.3.1 192.168.3.9. So I want my first pool to start from 20, to take its first IP address from 20, and I'm going to add this. Then I'm going to define the next pool, which is 2, to also start from 20, and I'll call it A2, which is the one on my left hand side. So that is done. Let me come here. Just want to put a message here. This is my DHCP server. Good. Now let me come to my web server here. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Good. Go to DNS, add the A record. www.mydhcp.com 192.168.3.10. That's the A record. www.mywebserver.com 192.168.3.7. So we are mapping the DNS here. Okay, so save this. Okay, turn it on. Make sure the DHCP service is on. Good. Now let's come to the router. Config terminal, hostname, call it R1, and I want to start with the G01 interface gig 0/1 IP address 192.168.3.1 255.255.255.0. Okay, so now let's set IP helper. Put the server, the DHCP server IP address 192.168.3.10. Okay, no shutdown. So it's on now. Now I want to get to this other side. Interface gig 0/0 IP address 192.168.2.1.0. Okay, IP helper 192.168.3.10. That's the server, the DHCP server address. So you're telling the router to help distribute address on, based on the setting of your DHCP. Now, no shutdown. Okay, so I want to set the pool on the router. So IP DHCP pool. I know that pool 1 is this site. I can check. Let me check that. Go to DHCP. So pool 1 is 3. Yes, 3 here. The starting IP and the pool 2 is 2. So we are good. So server pool A1 network 192.168.3.0 255.255.255.0 default router 192.168.3.1 DNS server 192.168.3.9. Okay, so the other one IP DHCP pool server pool A2 network 192.168.2.0 255.0 default 192.168.2.1 192.168.3.9. That's the DHCP, the DNS server. Okay, so exit and copy running config to startup config. Good. Now let's check. Let's configure the PC to get their IP addresses. This side is supposed to be 2 and then 20, and this side is supposed to be 3 and starting from 20. So let's see if we got that right. Nope, something is not right. Okay, let me see. I think come back here, config T interface G 0/0 IP helper 192.168.3.1 168.3.10. Okay, let's try it again. Check the service. DHCP. Okay. Good. So what was happening is when this default one was down here and it was reading from there. So what I did is I turn it off and save it, brings it up here. So now it get a proper IP address from this defined range of the DHCP. So let's see if this one will get its own IP address. Good, 2.21. That's okay. Let's come this way. That's supposed to be 3. This one too is not working. So let me come back to the router here. Config T interface 0/1. Make sure, yep. IP helper 92.168.3.10, which is the DHCP server IP address. Right. Okay, let's see again. Good. 192, it gave 25. Yeah, it's within the range that we define. Let's see this one. Yes, this one is working now. So everything is good. Let's see about the ping, or let me send a message and let's see. Good, success. Send it again. Good. Good. It's working. Let's get it from this side to the other side as well. Good. So IP DHCP, show IP DHCP, binding. So these are the different devices with their hardware address that have received IP addresses from the different subnets. So show so this is the different route, as you can see. Okay, So now we have come to an end of this tutorial, and I will be making another tutorial in the next to be the next to supplement this one continuation. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you. But we have not tested our server. Let me just test the server. Okay, so the server is, let's say, www.dios.com. Host name not resolved. 192.168.3.10. Okay. Seven. That's the okay. Good. So we have come to an end of this tutorial. I will be making another one in the future. Thank you so much for watching.